Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: static methods in Java interfaces of Java programming. So first of all, coming to the static methods in Java interfaces. So this feature was introduced in Java 8 version or JDK 1.8. Using this feature, we can have static methods inside an interface. So basically, inside an interface, we can have only abstract methods and object of interfaces cannot be created. So we use interfaces with subclasses. So in the subclass, we redefine the abstract method and then we can create the object of subclasses. So coming to static methods in an interface, static methods are not default methods and static methods are not abstract methods. So static methods have body or definition in an interface. For example, public static void m1 with body. So what is the difference between static methods and default methods? So static methods cannot be overridden in implementation subclass, but default methods can be overridden in implementation subclass. So we have same advantage of static methods in an interface with respect to default methods in interface. So static methods in an interface enables us to add new functionality to existing interfaces of our project or library. So technically, it provides backward compatibility with existing code, which is written with older versions of interfaces which are used in your project or library. So without breaking the existing code, we can add new functionality to the existing interfaces in our project or library. So such methods need not be redefined in the subclass. So basically static methods cannot be redefined or overridden in the subclass. So let us try to understand how to write a syntax for static methods in an interface. So take any interface. So inside the interface, write the static method using static keyword, public static void m1, and then we can have abstract methods and default methods with body. So how to access the static methods of an interface when you are working with the program? So we have to access them with interface name dot followed by static method name. So that is same like static methods of a class, we can access static methods of an interface. So directly with interface name dot static method name. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Java interfaces, static methods example 1.java. So take a new page. So first we'll write the comments. Program to demo static methods in Java interfaces. So take interface A. Inside that we'll take public static method void m1 and printing a message here, Java interface static method m1. Okay, so Java interface with static method m1, and we'll take one abstract method m2. So this is a abstract method. So come to the main class, Java interface static methods example 1 implements A. So this is a main class as well as a implementation class for our interface A. So here we'll redefine the m2 method. So redefine abstract method, right? So in the abstract method, we are printing a message abstract method m2 redefine. Now come to the main class, right? Create an object of your class or implementation class, Java interface static methods example 1 obj is equals to new Java interface static methods example 1. Now using The implementation class object we can call M2 method, which is redefined in the subclass. But we cannot call M2 method or M1 method because M1 method is a static method of interface. So it can be called or it can be invoked using class name or interface name. So interface name dot M1 method. So save this program in your working directory, come to the command prompt and then compile the program Java C Java interface static methods example1.java. Compile it and run it. So abstract method M2 redefined and Java interface with static method M1. So what happens if we redefine static method in the subclass? So public void M1, okay, and we'll print a message here. So when you redefine, it will not become overriding, it will just become, okay, own method of subclass. Okay, so M2 is own method of subclass but not. So but not overridden method. So it is not overridden method, overridden static method from interface A. So save this program and then run the program. Recompile, no error. So we can redefine that, but it will become our own method. So how to call the own method of a particular class using object? So obj.m1. Okay, so when you call obj.m1, it will call own method of subclass. So this is own method of subclass, right? So it is not the redefined method or overridden method, it will become the own method. So static methods of any base class or interface cannot be redefined in the subclass. If we try to redefine them, it will become the own method of subclass. Okay, so this is own method of subclass. So when we call this M1 method with the object of subclass obj, so we'll get the message from print message. Recompile and run. So M2 is own method of subclass or implementation class, but not overridden static method from interface A. So this is how we are supposed to work with static methods in Java interface, which provides extra functionality to existing interface without breaking the code in the implementation class of your project or library. So they are same as that of the default methods. The only difference is they cannot be overridden in the subclass, whereas default methods can be overridden in the subclass. Thank you for watching and listening to this session. Have a nice day. Do like, comment and share this video and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.